What's up? Welcome everybody. Thank you for watching DW Productions here. So today's video I got for you is going to be a Ring doorbell installation. So this is going to be the quick DIY setup. First recommendation, when you go to pull out the doorbell, you're going to want to check your voltage to make sure that you have the proper voltage. The voltage recommendations on the Ring doorbell is between 8 and up to 40 VAC. So get yourself a voltometer, check the prongs. So the typical standard household is going to be somewhere between 16 and 24 volts. So right now we are at 16.6 volts. So we're going to have no issues setting up this doorbell. Few necessary tools that you're going to want to have is a screwdriver. So I have in here, this is the Klein 11-in-1. You're going to want a masonry drill bit setup and a hammer drill if you have access to it. So first thing I'm going to do, it's recommended that you guys disconnect or shut off the power supply to the house so that way you don't accidentally zap yourself. The equivalent to sticking your tongue to a 9-volt battery. Doesn't exactly feel the greatest, but I've been doing this for quite some time, so you guys are going to get a chuckle if I happen to let this sting me and give me a good old bite. But I'm confident I'm not going to have that issue, but if in case I do, like and subscribe and get a laugh out of it. Go ahead and pull this screw off here. Wire number 1, put that to the side. And we're going to go with wire number 2. Alright. Next, you're going to have your Ring doorbell camera bracket mounting plate. That's going to be the template to the installation on this guy. Center it up. And what I'm using for my marker is pre-mark my spots on the stucco. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, alright, it's going to get loud for a second, guys, so I'm going to pause the video and get this moving along. Alright guys, so now that I got the holes drilled, I put in some of the plastic anchors that you can use in drywall, sheetrock, and so on. Let's go ahead and get this mounting plate set up here. The kit does come along with its own screws and its own anchors, so if you don't have any handy that you want to use, you can use the one that the kit comes with. And go ahead and screw this guy in. I'm going to hit the pause and we're going to go get the camera. Okay, so there's 2 small screws on the back side that you're going to screw in your existing wiring to this as far as for your power doorbell. There is a button on there, so that way when you guys go to pair it, you're going to press that button. It's going to circle a white light and you're going to connect it through the app. Start with this one here. Ah! My little joke, guys. It didn't bite me. Push the wiring back in. And now the last two screws are the security screws. Okay, so the Ring doorbell comes with a security screwdriver, so you guys are going to make sure that you keep that relatively close and handy, so that way you can secure this guy down. And if you ever need to do any kind of routine maintenance as far as rebooting or power, that's just a matter of using that screwdriver that it comes with and unsecuring it off the wall. This one has two, and it does come with an extra screw. And there you have it, guys. That is it. We are fully installed and ready to go. Like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.